Most people mess this up. They click the wrong thing, use shady tools, or download low-quality files. So don't skip this. There's one official way that actually works. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean video download. No apps, no websites, and nothing risky. Just the real YouTube method. Alright, let's go. First, open your browser and head to YouTube. Pause here for a second, make sure you're logged in. Now click your profile picture. On screen, highlight top right corner. From the menu, open YouTube Studio. Don't rush, wait for the page to fully load. Next, go to the content area. On screen, underline content. Find the video you want to save. Hover your mouse over it, not yet. Watch this part. Click the small edit icon that appears. On screen, zoom on pen icon. Now look to the upper corner again. See the 3 dots? This is the step most people miss. Click those dots. And now choose download. That's it. Your video starts saving straight to your computer. No tools, no stress, official and clean. Quick note before we end, this only works for videos you own. If it's not your channel, this option won't show up. If this saved you time or stopped a mistake, stay connected here. I post simple fixes like this so you don't have to guess next time.